Hey there, did you know that you can create premium bottle-grade mineral water right at home without electricity, noise, or bulky tanks taking up space under your sink? Today we have the Frizzlife M800 pioneering household mineral water filtration system designed to deliver clean, mineral-enriched water in the most efficient and eco-friendly way possible. First off, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you will find the Frizzlife M800 main filtration unit. As you can see, the internal filter elements all require tubing and fittings, installation hardware, and the user manual to guide you through setup. Everything is neatly packed and clearly labeled, making the installation process straightforward, even if this is your first time installing an RO system. And for the installation, it wasn't too bad, so I decided to skip and fast forward this step so we can focus more on the important details and information about this RO system. This is one of the first household machines designed to create bottle-grade mineral water at home infused with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc, similar to what you would find in a premium bottled water brands. One of the biggest advantages of the M800 is that it does not need to be plugged in at all, which means it is wireless and doesn't require any electricity whatsoever. It runs entirely on water pressure, which means zero electricity usage, lower long-term costs, and eco-friendly design. Since there is no electric pump, this system operates very quietly with no noise interference in your kitchen. The tank-free design gives you complete space freedom by eliminating bulky storage tanks. The Frizzlife M800 fits easily in their sinks, where traditional RO systems simply cannot. This also means fresher water on demand without waiting for a tank to refill. With an advanced 4:1 pure-to-waste water ratio, the system achieves up to 80% water efficiency compared to older RO systems that waste most of the water they use. This helps save water while still delivering high-quality filtration. On the body of the unit, you get an intelligent display screen that shows real-time TDS values and remaining filter life, so you always know the quality of your water and exactly when maintenance is needed. And for me to test the accuracy of the TDS values, I decided to get a different TDS scanner or tester in order to make my own test, and as you can see, the result is really impressive, and it's really nice to have this quality and this low TDS values in this filter that doesn't even require electricity, which is really impressive. And for safety and reliability, the Frizzlife M800 is tested and certified under NSF standards 58 and 372 with SGS testing to verify the removal of various harmful substances, giving you confidence in every glass you drink. And in terms of performance, the system delivers a large daily output of approximately 600 to 900 gallons per day, making it suitable for a household that needs a steady supply of clean, mineral-rich water throughout the day. Instead of replacing the entire filter bottle, you only replace the internal filter core, allowing you to reuse the housing and reduce waste over time. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this Frizzlife M800. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you and your household. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next video. Peace.